smoke and rise. Me trod the high road, me puff the purple haze. Me free me mind, me link the cloud and me leave the stress behind. Mango push for the sun, so right. Island fire, me feeling the hype. Feed the vibes, me a cruise with me people. Me smoke the herbs, Jah made it so equal. From the bay to the hilltop we a vibe. Me walk with Jah and the herbs inside. Herbal remedy, me soul is revived. Me strong pon the herbs, me fully alive. Ganja inna me heart, me a keep the peace. Feed the island fire, the vibes never cease. Me blaze the fire, me raise the sky. Me feel the herb like the eagle fly. Island fire inna the sun and the rain. Ganja healing me, I feel no pain. Zion echo. Up on the mountain, me breathing the fresh air. All me worries fade, the peace everywhere. Me climb higher, away from the noise. The view from the top, me feel just rejoice. Yeah man, every step can me take me leave the past behind. Vitos rise higher, me focus me mind. The climb ain't easy, but me reach the peak. In just light, me soul getting sleek. Me feel the wind, it blowing through me chest. In me heart, I know me on a quest. Me no care about the pressure, me no care about the weight. Each step me take me closer to the gate. On the mountain top, me see the world so wide. The road and the journey all collide. The sun kiss me skin and me grow like a tree. On the higher ground, me feel so free. The smoking star 6 lungs, I build a path to clarity. Ganja make me wise, set me spirit free. No time feed the lies, me living in truth. Me breath in the love, me carry the proof. Walk a step on the clouds, me walk up me pain. Jah bless me sight, me no walk in vain. Higher ground me reach, me touch the stars. Me road I paved, no more battle scars. Me listen the silence, me hear me heartbeat. Me thoughts in the calm, me mind feels complete. Each puff I lift, me rise with each note. Me find peace in the air, me found me antidote. From the higher ground, me see the way clear. Me rising, me shining, no longer feel fear. Each step a blessing, each breath a crown. On higher ground, me find me renown. Zion echoes, ay, ay, ay. Zion echoes, yeah. One love for the herb, one love for the fire. We rise together and me feel the desire. From the street to the mountain, me like the way. One love for the herb, for the peace every day. Me like the split, feel the rhythm in the air. Just guidance around me, it's like indica for the healing, the kush for the strength. Me live for the herb, no matter the length. Me puff the herb, me open the gates. In Jah light me rise, me elevate. Me no care about Babylon, me and the herb one. From the early morning till the setting sun, the smoking of the air, it tell the true story. One love for the herb, one love for the glory. The ganja and the reggae, it lift me spirit free. Every puff, every beat, me feel the unity. We chant for the herb, we chant for the fire. One love in the world, me soul take it higher. Me roll the joint, pass it around. Me brothers and me sisters, together we sound. The melody sweet like the smell of the tree. Me rise with the smoke, me move through the sea. Speak truth from the heart, no fear in me chest. The ganja and music help me feel me best. The rhythm a keep me rise every day. One love for the herb, the only way. Ganja not for fiend, not for destruction. It for peace, healing and mental construction. From the street corner to the hillside strong, me rise up and blaze, me sing the right song. One love, one herb, no matter the fight. Me spread the peace, me spread the light. Me pass the herb to the youth and the wise. Ganja and me guidance, me rise, no surprise. One love for the herb, me spread it worldwide. Me pass the ganja, for joy never hide. Me bless the herb, me bless the land. One love, one herb, we rise hand in hand. One love for the herb, Jah guide our way. Me walk in the light, me rise every day. One love, one herb, let the healing begin. Zion ay ay ay, Rasta man, so high. Yeah man, how will the herb burn, the fire blaze. Jah Jah send me the herbs in so many ways. Me roll leaf, and me light the flame. We are live, we are blessed, me shout out your name. Listen me now, me a king in the game. Herb for the healing, me never feel shame. Me call you Weedman, the sack so green. The herb so potent, me rise with the scene. Green crack and OG kush all day. Me inhale deep, me not stray. Me hit the lickety split, it take me away. Me rise in the vibes, me stand up for the way. Each puff me take, me feel the energy fly. Me catch the breeze, me lift to the sky. Herb so powerful, it heal the soul. Me give the herb me heart, Jah make me whole. When the ganja light, me world so sweet. The smoke rising, me move the beat. Me light up the herbs, me make the call. Me pass the herbs to the youth for the all. Me balance the stress, me can't feel the pain. Inna the herb, me find me lane. Me a weed man, me rise with pride. Herbal remedy, me take every stride. For the people me a guide, me shout out for truth. Each puff me take, me live for the youth. Jah bless the herb, it lead me the way. Me rise in the herb, me never stray. Me walk with the light, me walk through the fire. In the ganja smoke, me dream rise higher. For the weed man, for the smoke and the blaze. Me give thanks to the herb, the fire in me gaze. like a sack. Watch faster. Hey, arrival coming strong. The ocean breeze a blow, me feel the vibration. Make we gather round, me spread the meditation. From the shore to the sky, everything so clear. Me lungs full of air and just presence here. Me step on the sun, me heart beating time. Reggae rhythm and me soul align. Island breeze a whisper, me mind feels light. Me feel the sunshine and me fly like a kite. Me vision's different, not trapped in the game. Island life, me no need the fame. The earth and me heart both full of fire. Me rise from the ashes, me live to inspire. No chains in me soul, no boundaries for me. The islands, me freedom, me spirit, me see. Me walk through the world with me roots in the soil. The herbs feed the healing, the sweat from the toil. Every night, me hear the drummers a play. Tales from the ancients and me free all the way. From the roots to the branch, we growing together. Me vision gets clearer, we in the stormy weather. Me smoke the lavender, me see the new day. Through the struggle and pain, me find the right way. Me carry the wisdom, feed the youths to grow. Island vibes strong, let the energy flow. Me feel the fire, me see the stars. Me learn from the moon, me carry me scars. The island gives strength, the herbs make it real. Me rise from the waves, me no longer feel. The island a call, me answer so loud. Me roots grow deeper, me rise through the crowd. Vibes of the island in every breath me take. With Jah as me guide, me will never break. Hey! Ocean breeze a blow, me feel the vibration. Make we gather round, me spread the meditation. From the shore to the sky, everything so clear. Me lungs full of air and just presence here. Me step on the sun, me heart beating time. Reggae rhythm and me soul alive. Island breeze a whisper, me mind feels light. Me feel the sunshine and me fly like a kite. Me vision's different, not trapped in the game. Island life, me no need the fame. The earth and me heart both full of fire. Me rise from the ashes, me live to inspire. No chains in me soul, no boundaries for me. The islands, me freedom, me spirit, me see. Me walk through the world. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Yo, we burn the earth high like the sun in the sky. Roll the weed, puff slow, make the smoke rise high. Blaze the fire and me no fear the heat. Reggae and ganja me born, it's my heartbeat. Yeah, light the fire, light the flame. We rise together, no shame, no blame. Jah vision in the smoke me see. Blaze the herbs, me live so free. Me rise with the herb in my hand and my soul. The ganja elevate me feeling whole. The kush and the chronic roll tight for me vibe. Jah blessings and the herb combine and ignite. Me take a deep breath, feel the sweet flow. Indica roots, me heart in the glow. Me puff the haze, the world start to shift. Herbal powers, me living at the drift. Me eye them red, but me spirit is clear. Me walk on the mountain, no pressure, no fear. Ganja and music, a fusion so divine. Me roll this spliff and me cross the line. Me find me balance, me spread the love. Me spirit rise with the stars above. Every hit me take, me find a new peace. Me vibes keep stress decrease. Oh, 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 oh. me soul, feed me nerves, feed the world we deserve. Ganja feed the mind, reggae feed the sound. Blaze it high, let the healing go round. Blaze the herb high, watch the smoke rise. Ganja feed the mind, the truth in a disguise. The rhythm of life, me know it's true. Blaze it high, me rise with the crew, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Rise with the flame, the fire I burn. Roll the weed, fulfill the world turn. Blaze the fire and me know it's true, it's true. Zion the goats, ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, vice cap, it's your time. Me moon, I shine, me roll, me split. Nighttime setting, me soul feels swift. The rhythm of the stars, the bass start to drum. Me lay back, relax, the vibes have come. Me light up the fire and the stars get bright. Reggae beat strong, me grooving at the night. Me vibes with me people and the night don't end. The music it flow, we no need to pretend. Me smoke the haze, the fire turn blue. Midnight in the city, me see the world anew. Me chant for the ancients, the rhythm so true. The beat in me chest make me feel like I knew. We jam to the music, me free in the crowd. Me don't need no fame, just the beat feel proud. One love and unity, me heartbeat connected. Me feel the wave of the rhythm reflected. The night, it deep, me deeper in the trance. Me don't need no money, me only want dance. Ganja me partner, reggae me friend. Me life is the music, me let the rhythm bend. Me heart race with the tempo, me life not confined. Each puff that me take lift me spirit behind. Me one with the beat, me reach new height. Me got everything me need in the mid of the night. As the bass drop heavy, me feet move slow. Me chant and me rise in the glow of the show. Me not rush the moment, me let it unfold. A midnight jam, so pure, so bold. As the beat fade, the silence is gold. Me take a deep breath, the night gets cold. Me know the rhythm will never stop. Me jamming at the midnight, me rise to the top. Me jump in at the midnight, me rise to the top. Me see the smoke rise from the burning leaf. It's a healing force, it's me true belief. Ganja me refuge, ganja me guide. Me rise with the herb, no need fi hide. Herb for the healing, herb for the peace. Me rise with the herb and the troubles cease. Me roll me spliff with the essence so pure. Each puff a blessing, me spirit secure. Me born in a the struggle, but me free when the herb burn the ganja. It a teach me each leaf a lesson learned. Me feel the smoke rise and me spirit fly high. In the earth's embrace, me touch the sky. Me life in a balance, me soul in a peace. Ganja the remedy, me find me release. Me sit back, relax, just listen the breeze. Me puff, me spliff and me drift with ease. Me carry the light of Jah in me chest. Me roll the herb, me feel the very best. From the first hit, me feel the tide that change. Me spirit uplifted, me heart out of range. The sound of the bass, me with the smoke in a ear. Me feel the rhythm, me know just care. Each puff me take, the world start to fade. The ganja and me medicine, for peace it was made. Ganja rising like the smoke in the air. Feed the vibes and the fire, just presence right here. Me push out the negativity, me rise like the dawn. With the herb in me hand, me soul is reborn. Each puff a healing, me no miss a beat. The smell of the ganja, the rhythm so sweet. Jah feed the peace and the fire in my soul. Me no need fee follow, me blaze me own goal. Me puff the high tide, me feel the vision clear. Me trod on the road and no Babylon near. Ganja rising from the earth below. Me follow the flow, me let the good grow. Me carry the message of Jah, the herb as the truth. Me pass the knowledge, feed the youth, no excuse. From the mountains to the sea, me rise so free. Ganja rising, me I live in harmony. Ganja rising, the healing is near. Me rise in the smoke, me walk without fear. Ganja rising, me spirit feel whole. Me blaze the fire, me trod with the soul. Yeah, man, another hot day. Kasaki na mi yan. Zion na ko. Born from the roots, me rise from the earth. Me step in on the fire, the herbs on me birth. Roll it up slow, light it and puff. The vibes are strong, me man no bluff. Me no need no distraction, just me herb and the fire. Jah guide me each step, me rise higher and higher. Roll the paper, me blaze in the sun. Each puff, each breath, me feel me weight come undone. From the hills to the streets, me feel the smoke rise. Me light me spliff, and me ready for the skies. Ganja from the land, roots deep down below. Me no rush, just let the healing flow. Me heart and me mind stay grounded in the truth. Me a child of the herb, me never lost me youth. Me sit by the fire, the ganja make me see. All the struggles fade away, and me spirit set free. Me roll up the herbal remedy, me reach the peak. The incense burning sweet, me found the mystique. With the herb in on me chest, and the fire in on me soul. Me walk the road of peace, me never lose control. Me not trust what the world say, me live for the herb. Herbal vibrations, me just keep me word. In each puff me find Jah wisdom so clear. Me blessed with the peace, Jah spirit always near. Ganja from the mountains grown under the sun. Me light the fire and me tell the world come. We smoke in the kush, sativa and the haze. Me I try to change the world in me very own ways. Jah give the herb fi heal the world's pain, and I use it to free the mind, feel the joy, not the strain. Me puff, me spliff, see the stars shine so bright. The smoke rise in the air, me feel irie tonight. Me find the rhythm in a the herb me roll, and with Jah guidance, me mend me soul. Me keep me vision clear, Jah and the herb in me heart. Me know the healing power, feel the mind to never depart. From the roots to the herb, me feel the earth shake. Me spread the love, me make no mistake. Jah and the herb, me I walk the line. From the roots to the herb, me spirit and me mind. Zion Nako, Zion Nako, Zion Nako, smoke the kind of shit. Yeah, me live for the herb, Jaja bless me soul. Roll the leaf, light it up, let the smoke take control. This a vibe, me long time fi feel. Me rising at the herb, you know me seal the deal. Me feel the vibes as the sunlight arise. Green leaf smoke, me no tell no lies. Medical herb, me roll up and light. Jah guide me through the night, so me fly like a kite. Herb from the hills, cushion the pineapple, me inhale. Deep vision expand like a map, me just survive. Me a rise pon a higher plane. Each puff me take ease the pain, me no complain. Me feel the power, the fire inna the herb. Me life so full, me deep at the curb. Ganja inna me heart, that's the truth me live. Me live for the herb and the love that we give. Me a balance me stress with each sweet puff. The smell of the smoke, man, me can't get enough. The herb I feel me medicine and me trust it. Ain't no Babylon fooling me, me must live. Little bud, little herb, still me cure the strife. From the first to the last, pull me feel the life. Ganja so sweet, it a heal the soul. Me think me in a paradise, me feel the control. Each leaf rolling, the herbs keep calling. Me rise up, never falling. Me trod on the righteous road, Jah light me way. Ganja and me teacher, me blessed every day. Me give thanks for the blessings me get from the herb. Me message clear, me always stand firm. Light it up, burn the fire bright. With Jah and the herbs, me feel no fright. Me trod on the path and me walk through the day. Feed the king's herb, we rise, we say Jah bless the soul, me bless the road. Me live for the herb, me trod with code. cannibalization. Loving a origin, as I tell it from the poet. The no retaliation of a pure just a bit. Requiring no song to the winning in this time. I gonna stop ya to the way till I am very song. Try up in the mouth just to little to shred me standard. Just cause I made sense to break the soul clutter. The plan is off the streets, made to buy up the powder. Truly, we so dilly how I play it into dishes. Every break it all that one to the ground, job coming contemptuous. On the vision is too low and down, there's one in deviations. Enough excitation, and less dwelling in the race and play.
to turn the world tonight. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. Among palm trees, sand and sea, here we're weightless, wild and free. The night begins, the sound takes flight. A fire's burning deep inside tonight. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. Underneath the moonlight's glow, in these roots our spirits grow. With every rhythm, every rhyme, we're living free, one beat at a time. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. As the night fades, a new day born. But the vibes we feel will keep us warm. Roots and vibes, we'll be back again in the world of rhythm, where it all began.